source system. This system is not powering. The customer brought it to complain. He said he has taken it to a different engineer and yet it's still not working. So I received the job just like 30 minutes ago. So I want to check it out to see what's really up with it. I noticed that there is no power flow from the charger. So I suspected that the first MOSFET or the second MOSFET must have been bad. So we want to just take a look at this, check it out to see where our short is. Alright, so let's get to this. Have you started?
Yes.
Relax. We've had some unexpected losses. We'd like to know.
Make sure you'll be doing this. Once I will do this.
Get down.
Are you touching it?
Yes, sir.
Are you touching this one too?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, our MOSFET is bad. So we're going to replace this MOSFET.
It's already destroyed. He broke the code. I have to stop this. Really? You know this? Someone else is tracing something.
Replacing this MOSFET.
They were just decoys. Goodbye, Mr. X.
Capture this. So we are replacing it with this.
They were just decoys.
Okay, guys.
Have you even thought about our time?
Over our lights.
Much fun.
Perfect. Perfect. You eat it.
What do you find? Is it clear?
Yes.
Africa here. Someone just crushed everything around. I'm like, oh, maybe that's enough. Never too safe. Oh, God. I lost my
Let's be check.
Want to see it?